In this video, I'm going to show you how much YouTube TV Sports Plus costs and what it includes. YouTube TV Sports Plus is an optional add-on package designed for sports enthusiasts who want access to even more live sports content. This add-on includes premium sports networks like ESPN+, NBA League Pass, MLB.tv, and NHL.tv, making it a great choice for fans of basketball, baseball, hockey, and other sports. As of now, the Sports Plus package costs $16 per month on top of your regular YouTube TV subscription, which starts at $72.99 per month. This means that with the Sports Plus add-on, your total monthly cost would be $88.99. It's important to note that this add-on is only available to existing YouTube TV subscribers and cannot be purchased separately. With Sports Plus, you'll get access to exclusive games, in-depth sports analysis, and additional coverage not included in the base plan. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you understand the cost and benefits of YouTube TV Sports Plus, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.